welcome to Playdates with Teacher Alice. For this video, you will have to go get mommies and daddies to help set this one up for you. Hello mommies and daddies! For this video, I will be sharing with you how we can encourage our children to develop more holistically. Many of our parents sometimes think that helping our children learn is purely concentrated in having them learn about maths or having them learn about languages. And that is probably why we're drawn to giving them tablets or our mobile phones, because there are tons of apps out there that teach them those things. And having these apps are wonderful and really smart. However, we tend to overlook the development of a very vital skill that playing with real objects give our children. And that is the development of their fine motor abilities. These skills can be achieved once our children learn how to make use of their smaller muscles that can be found in their hands, in their fingers, and their wrists. And yes, the honing of this particular area will eventually benefit your child once they start to try and learn how to write. So if you're one of the many parents who are challenged with getting our children to write, then these preliminary activities may be able to help you.
Set up 2 bowls for your child for the spooning exercise. Simply put, we use a spoon to transfer our grains from one bowl to the other. To target more than just their fine motor skills, you may see to it that they transfer from the left bowl to the right. This early shows them how writing is to be done, which is from left to right. Once you have finished one set, turn it around to do another one. Once your child has mastered transferring grains with the use of a tablespoon, you may explore on having them transfer this using a teaspoon. See, this is going to be more challenging for them, but it'll definitely encourage the development of a sense of order, coordination, concentration, while building in them the patience to do work. Another setup would be transferring grains from one pitcher to another. Here, since I don't have smaller pitchers that are child size, I am making use of old plastic bottles that I had from a shoestring. In a progressive classroom environment, you would have something made out of glass than plastic for this one. So your child learns to be more cautious. But if you don't have that, this one's fine too. So what your child does is simply transferring the grains very carefully so they don't spill. This takes a lot of control, so you may want to give this exercise a little bit later when you can see that your child is ready.
Now, readiness does not necessarily mean that your child will be able to work with this without making a mess, but seeing that they are happy to get this work done. The focus of these activities are to develop order, concentration, coordination, independence, and accuracy, and so they should be stress reducing. These activities are not meant to be given all at once. Rather, we can introduce this one a day and then just leave it accessible for your children to go back to in their play area whenever they want to. Please do note that some of these materials might be a choking hazard for your child, so unless you are 100% sure that your child understands that they're not supposed to put it inside their mouths, please do have an adult supervise your child when doing this activity. I hope all of these will gradually help you with your child's fine motor development. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Share this to all your friends and family. And don't forget to click like and subscribe.